Yeah, I'm willing to just watch the news move today. I really don't give a shit. Connection attempt failed. So yeah, we still don't have market data. So that's why we're on here. And that's why we're using NQ. So now I can proceed to um oh man, this is in the past, so we can't really do that. Okay. Oh shit. Must be supposed to be for the week. VWAP, auto anchored. Session. We gotta make this dark blue. Price line. Oh shit. They have that? Dude, that's nice. I didn't even know. Upper band. Go with go with the blue. Gonna be blue. Yeah. The bluer the better. Actually, this probably should be like purple. Go with purple, dark blue. Oh, up a bit, up a bit. Be our regular blue. A regular blue. Regular. This is the final. These are shit. Yeah, so I'm not gonna try to catch mood. I know slight bit of clickbait, but I don't care. I don't care. I just want people to watch. But yeah. So probably have a reaction there for the news move. It probably went a little bit lower, like down here. I could totally see that happening, and then probably up to here. Just depending on what the daily says. Yeah, probably like up to here. Pierce's comes down here, or like right here even. Anywhere with a standard deviation, VWAP. Like, yeah, right here. I could be wrong because I don't really trade news moves, but it could also be here. Like, totally possible. Even more possible, I'd say. Liquidity sweep, boom. Because we are kind of bearish. This one, did I see this happening? Of course I saw this happening. I know everything. Oh yeah, we had these all combined. Was this in the books? Yeah, right there, shelf. And for that ultimate reversal move there, boom. See, like these are just highly probable areas. I want to look at anything in between. This too, we're probably gonna have a retrace up to there eventually. See, there's a pocket of volume. Honestly, I kind of want to restart my entire analysis, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it's like X everything out. Kind of want to fucking see if I got everything set properly. Shit, just deleted one that was important. Oh shoot. Okay, we went a little too far right there. PvP, boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 okay, cool. So now we got the bare bones of what we need. ICT cool zones and pivots, yep, what we need. So let's see how we were marking these out. I wonder if we can have like 0 charts. Hello. That is so interesting. Got these like red nodes. What happened? Like NQ. Oh shit! Wait. Open, high, low, close. Is this the what? Rev POI. What? USD reversal. I think we included like this whole area. Yeah, flat area. Show up consistently. Why did I include a shelf? It's so weird. For my LVNs. Oh, I guess I just did it as a POI. Point of interest. Actually, yeah. Screw it. Let's turn on time opportunity. Is this the one? Ooh, this is the trashy one. Let's delete that one. Year? Oh wait, no, that's VWAP. Wait, what the hell was I looking at? Session time, price opportunity. Why is it all the way up here? STPO. Sessions, pre-market. Yeah, this is not what I'm talking about. I don't like this. We finally seen the actual data. Did I call it? Did I call it? Okay. Oh, we hit the deviation band. Look at that, dude. Pocket on TPO. Fucking A. Okay, merge with previous profiles. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, if we got this range, then Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, we were still too high. Gosh. Man, baby. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, it hit Midnight Open. Dude, Midnight Open is so good. Midnight Open is just so good. Like, we're sleeping on that. We're sleeping on that. Okay, what's NQ showing us? Oh, wait a minute. Did I call that? Dude, I think I called that. I literally called that. I don't know. I should have fucking left everything on. And then, yeah, we were gonna go for the sweep. I could have limited that. What the hell am I looking for? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Why the hell do I have a limit down there? I don't know. Right, let's do that. That sucks, man. Yeah, see, look, shelf right here. Would have been perfect. Get the daily. Oh, and it's like right where it's like some single prints and shit. Oh yeah, shelf sort of deal. Dude, easy dubs. Or just previous profile. Why can't I do that? I guess you have to be zoomed in enough. Now. Where is it going? I told you guys. Yeah. So if we're looking at this shit in the past, sometimes it's easier to look at it from just the single TPO. Sometimes it isn't. But yeah. Say this is the TPO shelf right here. This is the steepest point. Yeah. Like this is just the highest probability right there. And if you wanted to get more precise, yeah, just like that, you mark out that leg. Perhaps OTE was a thing. Oh yeah, fucking look at that. OTE, boom. Didn't happen though. Did not happen. I did not do that. I could have. Could have. That was literally my impression. But I'm okay with not doing that. Okay. What's up with the range? Yeah. It's not an easy call to make. Not an entirely easy one. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's like literally the very top peak of this shelf. It's like the weekly. I have to rely on the weekly for that, right? So this would have definitely. I mean, that would have got me, missed me by a tick. But yeah, I probably would have limited somewhere there. It's easy to say in retrospect. You guys are probably saying, but no, I probably would have. I most likely would have. I mean, I literally had the feeling and intention to do that. Anyways, PvP. Got PvP on. I think it's only available in the 1 minute. Yeah. Weird. Why is it doing that? Okay. Oh yeah. Got the anchored VWAP on here. And watch this shit. It's gonna be reacting. I mean, there's a halfway point there. Mark this forward, what would happen? Look at that. What do you know? What do you know? It's perfect. Okay, I think I'm like fucking losing track here. Because we gotta fucking have an entry, right? What are we gonna do? Volume weighted, auto anchored. Session. That's not the session. Wait, that is the session. What? Week. Oh my gosh. What the flip? What the flippity skip dibbity dibbity? Annoying. Why does it have to be this way? I hate this. Like, what the fuck? Literally, like, garbage. Is this for the session? I want the fucking week. Okay, you know what? Let's delete that one. For the session, we need a blue. Oh, I'm already getting so pissed off at. So annoying. I'm already getting annoyed of this fucking trading view. Okay, view up. This is literally half of my day sometimes. I'm getting it right. No! Alright, that's it. I give up. I'm not trading anymore. Okay. True open. Do I have a true open on here? Shot through. What plunge? It came up a little bit higher. A little bit of a pocket on all of them. Teeny tiny. Oh, we went the top end of that. Like, bro. Oh, I freaking hate messing around with these settings. Okay, let's do this fast. Not fast enough. Save as default. That's how you do it. Save as default. Now we go view up, auto, and wait, what? There's no more bands? See, that's what I'm talking about. Orange. Oh yeah, we had white. I wanted to do like a contract open. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. Now I need yellow. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Orange here. Here orange. Orange here. This is important. Very, very important. Then we have red. Bands film numbers 3, I think. This is what we need. Yellow. White. Oh, love it. And then June 11th. This is when the contract rollover happens with all the institutional volume, by the way. So 6:30, June 11th, open on the candle. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, wants the auto center. Anyways, template. 6:30 template. And then, yeah, we're gonna put on the second value for it. 0.5 values. Cool. Alrighty. So these ones. Anchored. Lock. Wait. Lock. Lock. Cool. So now we have a better guideline to where price is going to be going. Research chart, yeah, cool. Okay. Anything lining up? So the week, we tap that. Has standard deviation right there. OTE lined up right there. For this bottom value, we did have the 0.5 for the daily. 1.5. Shitty. I should have like solid lines. It makes everything easier, I'd imagine. Yeah, let's do that. And then even no. This is VWAP band. Yeah, whatever. They didn't even extend this far. That's the middle, right? Yeah. In between lines. Hit this, yeah, and we had a bigger retrace. So, yeah, we're on track. We're on track. Tap that line. Oh yeah, now we need to look at the yearly VP. I don't like to do. Just only the highest probabilities. That's all we're going to be focusing on. Eurovian. That was a good level. Not even joking. That was a great level. Fucking decent, alright. Can't believe I'm showing people this and how to mark it out. It's like cheating for them. Ariatman. I just want to like, I don't know. Yeah, I guess that's a pretty good thing to mark out. I do want to mark out an entire zone. Shit, man. Should I just mark out the entire things? Sometimes I get the feeling to do that. Sometimes I get the feeling to do that. Yeah, because we like just do that, and that's like higher probability. I don't give a fuck. As long as our stop loss is set correctly, we do a good job at catching them. And get like too precise. Like so. Ariatman. And we're gonna mark out the shelves that we think are important. Just so important. I'm gonna put some music on. Freaking A. Freaking A, mad. Alright. What is gold doing? I should just like make these and just set them. And I think I might mark this one out as like one of those. It's a pretty decent level. I generally don't like to do that. I like to mark it on the opposite side of the balance area. Debatably, I fucking put way too many here. Yeah, we gotta be more strict. So we do that. It's also based on what I've seen before. Reactions. Nobody make a move. All right, so what are we looking at now? We're not in any interesting position yet. Actually, I didn't even check here. We were in an interesting position. We could have took a long right here. That was actually a really good area. And even, yeah, even we had a t. Oh, I marked it out even. Were we already there? I don't even know where we're at with price. Okay. Shitty stuff. Okay, I don't know. There's this as an option. Bro. What's the S doing? So this is kind of like the short that I'm looking at right now. Not my favorite, but I think there's potential in it. Like honestly, I'd want to go higher on this entry because stop loss is like right there. Oh, this is such a gross position. Like so gross. Yeah, I'm gonna play it higher. Ooh, hit it again. I reversed. We could probably go here though. This is like super good. I don't even know. Yeah, I mean this would be like much higher quality entry. We put our stop like right there, and we keep our shit low. That's if we wanted to get our fill like soon. We have 3. Fuck. 2.7. And then highly probable TP. Probably like right here. Well, easily right here. Like, there's no doubt about that. So if we do get a fill, 9.11. Yeah, we're playing it safe here. Do it like this. We're gonna take partials. We get entered here. Stop loss order modified. What do we have on this shit here? PvP, TPO. The hell are we hiding? Okay. Oh yeah, TPO right here. Boom. Shelf. This is a good shelf. On the TPO even. Oh man, I am gonna freaking. So I want to take an entry right off of this. Let's do. So. Oh shit. Okay, I guess it locked me in at that right there. Wanted to go lower, but. Okay. I don't even know how much of a stop loss I need. Oh shit, yeah, this is I'm on the 1 minute. Okay. Let's go with my usual. Why is it not on money? Okay. Save as. I don't even know what I'm on. What did I just do? I'm not even in that high of a premium. Shit. Okay, well that was a good shelf. Probably would have went up here though. Cause that's a yearly TPO too. Yearly TPO LVN. Shit, I might have made a mistake. Whoops. Whoops. Our stream is being slow. Wow, that's kind of hot. Yeah, so this was not my best entry. It might still get a reversal. Anyways, just gonna have to find out. But I would probably plan on TP enging. Yeah, hold on. Let's look at the VP for the range. For the range, bro. Is this the same VP? Well, let's see here. Is it practically identical? Yes, it is. All right. I don't even have to look at that. Yeah. Should have went all the way up here. So my TP is probably gonna be. I don't even like this position. Switch in positions for you. Probably be something like that. It's probably the worst trade I've taken since Sunday. If it doesn't stop me out. I'd be surprised. It comes all the way down after a reversal here, but it's most likely going to stop me out. It's most likely going to do that. Okay. But yeah, I like this area. Ariatman. OTE. This one's really good on the yearly. Yeah, closer to right here is really, really good. Also the session. I got a reversal coming. I just want some more coffee. Oh, I just want to stretch. Excuse me. Ariatman, push it down, baby man. We done putting the price down real bad. That wasn't even that precise of me either. What is gold doing? Oh, look at that. We're gonna break through this level. I know it. We're gonna break through it. This is not. I'm gonna leave my entry where it is. Yeah, look at that. I do not think this is gonna be bad at all. Might as well merge all these together. Area to mine. Wait, set all merges. Do have like this node. What is MES? We might have something on ES soon. I haven't taken any trades on ES yet. Pretty wacky. Wacko. Wacko. Pretty wacky. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think it's I don't even know about this one. Might have a loss. Might have a loss today. Alright. It's alright. It's a superstar sci-fi. What are these fucking bid-ask lines? Damn, that true day open though for CPI or unemployment news would have been great. Oh yeah, we're getting stopped out. It's okay now. But we haven't yet, which is the interesting part. Because we've got delayed data. 10-minute delayed data. Oh shit, is it 7? Oh my god. It's not even 7:30 yet. Prices moving slow. Prices moving slow. Alright, assuming that I'm just waiting to get stopped out here. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's strategize here. What are we looking at? This is probably what I'm gonna go for right here. It's New York AM opens. Yeah, I so badly want to go break even though. What would happen if I set it right here? Something tells me just leave it. Nothing happened? This is very interesting. This should probably be. Yes, it's showing something really good, man. So good. rid of that one. Hmm. This be a profitable trade? I can't guarantee it. I cannot guarantee that shit. I cannot guarantee that the shit, man. 3.5. Liquidity? We didn't even go. Yeah, this is just an equal high, sort of. I'm gonna de-risk by half because I don't like this trade. But also, what does the VP say? Yeah, that's just shut off. Be surprised if this gets me profit. Holy shit. I thought I marked this one out. I guess not. So if you're on the 5 sec or the 1 second, we probably see great respect on these. Yeah. You see the 0.5s getting hit. 0.5, pretty much 0.5. This got tapped. This got tapped. Great respect here. Ooh, see, stop loss got hit. Yeah, see, I didn't see that as being a good trade. Easily not the best. I don't know why I even executed on that. That was weird. Weird for me to do that. But it's alright. Alright, so what is the next highest probability area? If we're looking at these levels. We got this. Do we get anything else? 0.5. Yearly LVN here. These two are lining up pretty damn good. We have a convergence. Fuck it, we're gonna do this. So and this should be pretty wide stop. That right there is a pretty wide stop, man. $200. $3.7. Hmm. I don't know about this one. Gotta look on the TPO. $15 minute. Yeah, there's not enough here. Holy crap. There is this. I know it's my call. I think it's today is gonna be like an in-between approach. Cause we gotta. Yeah, this is it's really gonna be a really interesting one for today. 20-point stop, perfect. What we want. And then we're gonna get the opposite side right here. For the TPO ones are really good too. Yeah. This is gonna be a interesting one today. These two align. These two align the best. Pretty bummed out if they don't hit. New York game is on. See what happens. We are bullish here. Why do I feel like it's not a great level? -2 showing right here. Oh my gosh. What the fuck, man? Because I'd want to see a good liquidity sweep. Sweep all these highs, come up into here, and then reverse. MES, what are we doing? Stop loss order modified. And I don't know. Part of me tells me that this right here looks pretty good. Okay, what the hell? Okay, we got a good shelf right there. What are we looking at for the monthly? Oh yeah, no, that's a good shelf. Oh yeah, no, yeah, man. Liquidity sweep. I like that better. Could make equal highs though. Go right over here. Limit order modified. Modified. Stop. Let's go 1.5 point stop. Dude, this is garbage. This is garbage. No way if this was actually the reversal move. We are on the high end for the beat deviation bands for the day. Dang it, that was a good level. I'm sure I'll come up higher and then do even better. This is actually good though. I got 10 blends for me. I'm way too high. I'm way too high. I got 10 blends on me. I'm way too high. I'm way too high. Music in my fucking head. This is even better because we retested it. Boom, 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 boom. We are probably gonna break above. Color good this time. Stop loss order modified. Oh, yeah, no, it tapped right there, finally. Cool. That's good to know. Going bearish. I guess we are. Finally got up there. 20-point stop. Are we good with a 20-point stop? Yes, we are. I want to see us go all the way. What? No way. It actually, holy crap, it's pumping. Okay. Second loss for the day. That is brutal. There's my fucking yearly profile. Where's me fucking yearly profile, man? Okay, that was not the level, it seems. That is shitty. Shittiness. Okay, came up there. We are pumping, it seems. It seems as if we are pumping. It seems as if we are pumping. I don't know how far though. Damn, bro. I'm just gonna keep these marked out. These would be our levels. Okay. Our last and final level will probably be this right here. Oh wait, we sweep right here. Looks like today is not my best day. I don't know. Where is a good place to put my shit? That'd be shitty if it doesn't reverse here. Yes. Still kind of climbing. Actually, don't even know where it is climbing to. We could even go all the way up to here. Fuck. But we did do a decent sweep. I don't know if we could go all the way up here. If I was playing by my rules of could be also really high probability. Today is actually a good day for price action, it looks like. What are we looking at for news? The hell is this shit on Forex Factory? Core PPI. Core PPI. Yesterday was CPI. Oh yeah, gotta place our TP. This is a very high probability right here. I'd say it is a really high probability. Considering if we went that high on the deviation bands, 2 point max area. That's the daily. Today's way more trades than I wanted to take. But looks like we got something. A little hesitant. So for my stop loss, it should have been right here. Because I think it reversed slightly below. So, I don't know. Could have also reversed right here, but could probably have had. Wait, what? What is my stop size? It shows 42 points. What the fudge? What the fudge? 24-point stop. Yeah, I would have probably put my stop right there. So 10-point stop. 16R. What? I don't know, guys. Ending is. See, I pre-marked it. This purple, solid fucking level. Solid level, man. Oh my god, I'm just so good at this. Look at that. Safe TP, safe entry. That's how we do it. This would be funny if this reversed here too. Oh, look at that. Came up, passed it a little bit. Quickly right down to there. On the other end of this daily VP. But I feel like it's going to come up to here, sweep all of these highs, and then go back to point of control. Yeah, this would be a very good level for me. For me, it's all for me, man. I would even put a limit right now. $2, $2, $5 bill, $4 bill, $5 bill. Point of control. I don't even know if I got up to there. Or it probably. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Played 3 positions all at one time. Yeah, so it looks like we went for max expansion finally today. Yeah. Oh no, are you kidding me? It went higher. That's amazing. That's so amazing. Wow. That's actually crazy. That's actually what? No. No way. Today's probably gonna be my worst day. It's all good. It's all good. Holy shit. We are just running through everything. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to pull out the big guns and just sell at the most premium and the most discount level for all these. It might reverse here. Very probable. Something tells me though. Something tells. Oh shit. Shit. Accidentally. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. This one. Probably gonna put it up to there. That's a really wide stop. I think that's too wide, is it? No, it's pretty decent. That's like a reasonable area to get stopped out at. What's the daily point of control? Point of control for today is like right here. But I'll go for like right here. Wow. Wow, guys. Guys, like, wow. I don't even know how wide of a stop that is. My stop's getting wider and wider. It's fucking crazy. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Well, I'm not pissed at all, actually. Just is what it is. Because I was supposed to be like. Yeah, something like that. Might have ended up. Okay. Yeah. I think this is just the most that it has to be going. And yet again, there is the possibility that it could bounce finally off here, and that's literally the most. Like it has to be. That's like the most. The most. There's like I don't know. That's like already way too much. It's like crazy too much. Like fuck, too much. Kind of wish I had market data now, because I'd know where price is actually at. I wouldn't have had all these losses. I can't see the DOM, unfortunately. Ten minutes trading in the past. Oh, we are quite bullish. What the hell am I trying to do with shorts? Yeah, it would have been wise to like catch this right here. Bottom tick this and oh, gotta practice going with the bias. Or oh no. You fucking with me? It's insane. What the fuck? Like how far can we go? What the shit? There's no way it goes past this one right here. There's no fucking way. That would be insane. Yeah. Fucking insane. The moves we're having today. Would have been nice to have my motive wave. For sure. Without a doubt. I'm not even gonna, like, ES is at all-time highs. I'm not even gonna fuck around with that. But I'd be so curious to see where we go with this. That'd be so crazy if we just reversed off of here. But I'm gonna keep it right here because I don't know. Oh yeah, TP. I have a feeling it went over here. Ah, that or right here. No, I got stopped out. That's why you always go with the trend, the bias. Fuck. Slowly starting to unveil that my strategy would be like the absolute peak if I caught like the reverse end pre-session. So right here. So I caught this. And I could have just held long. How do we know we are going to be long or short? That is a good question. By looking at news? Producer price index, unemployment claims. What the hell? That's crazy. Just shut up all the way up to there. Some bitch ass bullshit. It probably reversed right here. S&P 500 rises to new record. What? So it can't. Probably right around here. Somewhere in here, but if I were to take a guess, it'd probably be like. No, I think we missed our move today. Fuck. Fucking shit. Are you fucking kidding me? This is perfect. Should've kept my shelves where they were, bro. Shit. Fucking ass crack hole. Forget. Stop. Oh my gosh. I think that's gonna be it for today. No trades, really. Somebody touch on my forget. Okay, well today was not an effective day. We're gonna have to look at why things didn't go as planned today. Doesn't help that we don't have the data. Do we hit the 2.5? Cause oh. 0.75. Mm-hmm. gotta hit this right here. I bet it fucking hit that right there. 'Cause our limit is still active. That's why if you had. Oh, look at that. Just breathe. And this is the last one I'm going to take for NQ. You know why? Because if it keeps going higher, then I have no idea where the hell it's going to go. My next guess would be right here. But I don't want to keep taking that many fucking trades until it hits. I'd rather just review and then know better for next time. Go for the absolute highest probability levels. Past few days, it's been choppy ass price action, slow. But if we're breaking out of a balance range, and what causes it? That's the question. We need AI, man. We need AI for this. I want more coffee. Coffee just fucking tastes amazing. It looks like we probably had a reversal there. I would have set them all to break even, so I wouldn't have actually had losses if I had the market data. That's kind of how I roll. All right, I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'm gonna make some coffee. Oh yeah. Dude, I am so curious to see where this went up to. Like, all-time highs are always like, oh, I don't have no idea. I have no idea what's gonna happen with all-time highs. Right? Right, man? Like, dude, I don't even know. I wish we could. I wish I could say I can make it look easy, but I can't with the all-time highs. I haven't back tested it enough, that's why. So we did have a slight reaction on the shelf, looks like. Oh man, I gotta hide this. It's annoying. I had a slight reaction on the shelf. Yeah, see perfectly precisely CE when you mark and halfway between that, but it did want to hit the LVN. This is the yearly LVN, by the way, on the opposite side of bulk of value. So this is most likely going to give us our big ass trade. Call this bullshit. It's probably going to happen. That's with my regular stop. So we're safe. I think we are absolutely safe. But if I really wanted to, I could probably go down here. Actually, no, right here's like definitely safe. But if I wanted to, that would be like how wide is that? 20 risk to reward. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. S&P, I got news that S&P finally hit a new record. So it went above this price for sure by a little bit. I don't know how much though. If we go back to the contract open on June 11th, we'd probably be able to find out where specifically it would be. So June, go all the way back to June. June 11th. I think that's where it's supposed to be. Supposed to be right here. 6:30. This looks like it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, wow. The 0.5 values. Then we have the volume contract rollover. We'll see where it actually is probably went up to. What? So it might have. It probably came up to the halfway point in between these two, the 0.75 area. So right here. What? Dude, this would be insane if I marked it correctly. And it actually bounced off of there. If not, then it's like it probably came in reverse somewhere here. But NQ made such a huge move that, you know, I'd believe it. I'd believe that I want to put on my execution labels. Yeah. Dude, that is way too much. Way too much for today. 905, 916, first loss, second loss, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize I take that many trades. What? Did I take any trades on this asset? If I can just get NQ for today, I'd be cool. Yeah, look at that. It's most likely going to reverse right there. Look at that line. So if yesterday I decided to take, I think I saw it. I saw it for sure. It's going to bounce like right here. Actually did twice. And then also this area right here. If I was longing and I held it all the way up to today, what would our risk reward be? That's my question. So at worst, 3.25 stop. Yeah. But if we like were really precise, then obviously we'd get 62R. But we're here to manage risk like professionals. This is where all of them converge, so I'd imagine it kind of came out, and then where does this one even come from? I think this is, yeah, this is the one that goes all the way back. CE right here. Where this and this is the halfway point, like right here. 3.5. New record. Absorption probably happened. I think we're safe now. It's gonna be a long trade today. Long trade. Unless it keeps trying to pump higher. That would be fucking annoying. And not typical. Because if that was the case, where would I want to take my first profit? Boom, boom, boom. I'm fucking miss Motive Wave already. I have much easier time compiling all this data, making a proper judgment. But we're doing decent. We're doing decent. Okay, so we gotta figure out how we're gonna do this now. So we do have this as a first TP option. And that is like 6R. We could take off. Son of a bitch. I'm just gonna sit out. It looks like we are pumping. Fuck. Alright, that's the end of the stream. We're going to check in the evening and see what went wrong. If I had the DOM, if I had footprint, if I had my Motive Wave, I probably wouldn't have made all these mistakes today, but we're still up on this account, which is good. Don't know how much we lost today. 142, 200. Roughly like 600. Yeah, roughly like 750 today. But yeah, that's it. That's all I'm gonna take. I had a gut feeling that I was gonna get stopped though. What the hell is up with the yearly? Okay. And yeah, so this would have been my last position. I think what was it, on the 5 minute? Where's my final position? Right here. Yeah, so on that high volume node. Bro, but we had this deviation right here. Hmm. I really like this area right here. Not much lining up with that right here. Besides this standard deviation, this right here, this right here. We're gonna see short entry right here or short entry right here. It's gonna be annoying. This was fucking absolutely unnecessary with all these positions. If I was doing things properly here, I would have taken liquidity sweep move. So like right over here, which we actually didn't. We swept and yeah, there was no retrace right there. That one maybe. That one. But if I knew we were going to be so bullish, then I probably would have went with this one. Or actually, no, this one, and by some fucking chance, if it goes all the way up to there, this one. Like, that's insanity already. I'll lose my shit. Oh man, this is gonna be very interesting to see the aftermath. Damn, that was actually solid. Oh, my past OTE. I was looking right here for reversal. TPO was good. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, I gotta look at this later. I don't know what else to do for the day. That's why having a job is really nice. Keeps you busy. You avoid doing stupid shit. But yeah, we're gonna check this out later.